Hello friends and traders, welcome back to this 369 forecast channel where we have plentiful of ideas you can take home to master your trading and help your profits reach greater potential. Today we are gathered once again to review how to trade bigger swings. This is suitable for option traders, vertical spread traders, call, back ratios. We're taking a bias and opinion into play. This is not a hedged strategy. This is a biased, directional bias strategy. So here we have two indicators: wave volume setting of 33. We have L3 again, which is just one of the L3 tool for professionals which we use, giving us the cycle of energy of the planetary cycles. We use one of those dimensions here in this code base. So game plan is pretty straightforward. We're going to use these cycles, highs and lows, and we're going to take the bias based on the direction where the price is relative to the wave average. So here we are where market is above this wave average line right here. What we're going to do is look at those pullbacks in the cycles right here. We're gonna go long right here, long here, long here, long here, long here, long, and the market has now twisted below this. When I see this happening close below this line and is holding below this line and the cycle turns, I'm gonna short it. So this is obviously you have calls and puts together, or you reverse the direction. You basically sell the calls, get the puts. No longs here, no longs, right? Why? Simply because we're gonna follow strict rules. Because we're below the line, no long, shorts only. Remember, when the market is playing games and twisting and turning around at those turning points, you better be reactive, right? You have to follow the rules. And you'll see you will have 2 losses a year maximum. That also can be minimized by flipping the trade on the other side. Here we're going to take a shot again, and same thing happened. Market went against us. Now if you have taken a shot, because now if you look closely, right, was this a good shot? Look closely. The close was above the line, so actually the shot was actually blocked. So we have to have, this is again on a daily chart. All right, there we go. ES daily chart for a reason. But we have to see the closes of these lines. It's not getting the top tick, bottom tick. We have other things for that. So this actually was a shot, right? But what happened at the close? Just a few minutes before the close, 10 minutes before the close, 2 minutes before the close, we just be ready for the place. So we're not doing anything, not managing much, we're not doing much. And remember, we are going to buy a few months out. Look at this. All these are monthly cycles, right? Monthly, roughly. So you are protected by this, the way close was initiated. No trade. You have to wait for cycle to turn around. This is where it turned around again, right? And you buy, as I said, unless this is the area to go long again. It will pull down against you. It will do a lot of things against you, right? See here, it held. It did not. It was a short coming, but look at this. It did not close below this, and we are still long, and we are a little bit red for the next 15 days. Not to worry. And now, if the conditions have changed, close happen below this, we will flip it, and then you will see the same thing, right? Small loss and boom, break even. All right. So now we're gonna just keep on longs only. I'll add more to the longs. This is how we stay in the market, because we don't know how far it is going and not going. And this is ES. You can do it on SPX. You can do whatever you like as far as the technical trading. I'm just giving you a sentiment analysis on the trading. Now this market tipped over, closed below this, right? The moment you have a close, you get out. And especially, so now let's say we took a small loss here at the edges. You can see when the market is tipping over at the edges, correct? The last edges. Now we also use C54, we use other things to see where market is heading. It's going to stop here and come down. And just purely simply adding, using one simple effective moving average to make it more powerful. This is how you can add 1 cycles and trade in the direction effectively. Doesn't matter what you trade. You can pick this strategy on Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, the 5 horsemen of USA LLC. So here is now the sentiment has changed, right? Close below this, so I'm going to take a shot. I'm going to short it. So whatever small loss you had, you tripled your money right here, right? 1 loss is gone, 3x your money. You have to be effective. So these are also your turning points for taking your profits, right? I'm just showing you the entry and the bias using one tool, one free average, one paid tool, and you have a system. It's going to keep on going for next 4 generations, but this is based on the natural laws. It's not going to change. This is going to adapt itself to the market conditions, the wave, and this one. And no one can do anything about it. I don't need that. Alright. Long blocked. Why? We are below this. We cannot take longs. We cannot take shorts. So now market went very aggressively on the top side. Now we're gonna take longs only, right? So now this is long. Now this long came here. Let's see. Let's put it properly. You can use the crosses, right? Or you can use this beginning, start, depending on how you want to trade. So we have to wait for the close. Now the same thing happened here. Look closely. The close happened below the line, right? Boom. I won't touch it. There we go. So I'm ready with the orders. Last few minutes. What I see is probably of this can bounce up like this, right? So right here, look closely. Look closely. The close. Close is 5603. So it's 5 points below, right? So it saved you. All right. So let's say you were impatient and you went long. So the real wrong came in the next one. So this is a game of following the rules in a very strict fashion. right? This is where we are right now. This is where we are right now. 120 points up, right? So 120 points is roughly $12, $11, $10, $11 in SPY options. So if we have done this precisely, 1 or 2 losses happened in the entire year so far, and that loss was already on the other side. By flipping the trade, was washed out. Same thing, washed out and profit, washed out and profit. So if you look at this very closely, there's no loss actually, right? Net, not a single. If you started your campaign, so we had all wins. So just wanted to bring this to your attention. Have some cycles, have some wave. If you want to use some moving averages, wave moving averages are great, and just wanted to demonstrate that. Market is going in any direction, you will always have opportunities, and to be patiently following the rules. As we say, you will get 10-12 trades a year, nice ones. And after 12 trades, you have 2 or 3 losses, you will still not be a net loser at all, because as I just showed you, if you do it properly. So my friends, here we are again, gathered together to continue to embark on this journey to help you tame the markets. Thank you so much.